How to contact Skip the Dishes. If you want to contact the support team for Skip the Dishes, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Skip the Dishes app and you will see this type of interface. What you want to do is tap on your account or the profile icon from the top right hand side. Then from there, go to the option that says Need Help. When you go to Need Help, first you can select any type of help topic, but we are trying to contact the support team, so we will go to Need Something Else instead. There you will find a button now that says Contact Support. So tap the Contact Support menu, enter your email address, enter your email and your phone number, then type in your message. Once you type in, then you can tap on Start Chat, and then from there you will be able to contact Skip the Dishes. This way you can chat with Skip the Dishes support team. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.